Hey, nimewamiss wase.
Long time.
Mlikuwa wapi wase? Mimi
Tulikuwa
nilienda
huko.
Meru bwana.
Hey, my friends, sisi tulikuwa American.
Bwana. Welcome back all of you hata nyinyi.
Thank you.
Hata
Hata
wewe
wewe
unaniambia
pia.
welcome.
Karibu Nairobi.
Wow. This is so awesome. Jerusha. Oh, Kananu. Karibu sana. These are my colleagues. Ule ndio napendwa sana na mafans. Tasema ni wa hichi jenda. You guessed right. Hata wanampenda kunishinda. Nothing personal. Later Miles. On the bass. Joe. Joe ndio anatuchapia kariti hapo.
Joe.
Hapo hivyo. Na pia solo. Alafu Weta.
Hard.
Chapa hiyo kitu tena mlikuwa mnachapa bwana. Pam. Alafu kwa drums. Ashana naye.
Nice.
Yes, this is the team.
Pleasure.
This is her. This is the team. Ama kuna kitu nimesema.
Karibu sana,
This is me
karibu
and
sana.
me, this is you.
Yes.
Pleasure.
Yes. Hata wewe karibu sana. Jerusha is our host, is our guest today. Kananu. Uvui.
Kananu marete.
Ande mbele nyeto ambeya mantuja maingi. Kenda pa menya wewe tu.
Vamenye.
Tera nkwana hatu ita. Nkwenda kapoe mkange kare haja uzo kaita watire. Ukama mtereja.
Arenderewa ntete anywhere. Okwea.
Ande, wate kurenye. Mbije kudhangalanwa.
Niche kudhangalania are. Wote me kudhangalani kudhuranira.
Okay, let's do this.
Alright.
So that they know who you are.
Let's
Right?
go.
Okay?
Born ready.
Who goes first?
You. Men first, ladies before.
Okay,
Right. It's set.
here we go. What happened to you, Billy? I've always wondered really. How did you die? Or is it just a lie? Please talk to me, Billy. I am worried really. It breaks my heart so. Nothing can win my worry. My chest as heavy as a brick. We met in a matatu. It was Kitu saa tatu. Two strangers among us the villagers. Birds of a feather. Drifting together. Where are you, Billy? I am worried, really. We were all depressed. Too hard to be impressed. We got out of the matatu. We somehow got to talk. Took a walk in the other direction. And lastly, exchanged contacts. Where are you, Billy? I am worried, really.
From then, things weren't the same. Communicating was our aim. Checking on me was duty, though my heart was lame. Where are you, Billy? I am worried, really. I learned you were in the army based in Mogadishu. You were on leave to search for your girlfriend when giving up your child for adoption to a friend. You look disturbed. Where are you, Billy? I am worried, really.
I too had my problems. 1 month pregnant. The wreck, responsible, gone forever. I didn't know what to do. Life was tough. The time was rough. I was jobless. Where are you, Billy? I am worried, really. You called me often and we had a date before you went back to work. It was timely. We talked, we laughed, we shared. We gave each other hope. You told me never to give up, especially on my child. Where are you, Billy? I am worried, really.
From Mogadishu, you call daily. Your text humorous. I look forward to your night lengthy calls. Where are you, Billy? I am worried really. It was love over distance. You spoilt me. You came to see my son. He was 3, brought him clothes and toys. When you left, I don't know what I saw in your eyes. You must have seen it in mine too. Oh, Billy, my love. Where are you, Billy? I am worried, really.
Few days later, after your return to Mogadishu, you called at midnight. You sounded sad, worried. For the first time, you stammered. Did not allow me to talk. You said there was no time. Your voice was clipped. The conversation is fresh in my mind. Where are you, Billy? I am worried, really. Moana, listen, I love you. I have always wanted to walk down the aisle with you, to give you my name, to kneel down and ask you to carry and nurture my children. Because you are noble, I wanted to hold your hand, look at you in the eye, silence the storm that took away your happiness. My heart bled when I saw you cry. I wanted to give you time. I was wrong. Soldiers got no time.
You talked fast, almost whispering. I tried to talk. You didn't let me. I said I loved you, but your phone was already off. Where are you, Billy? I am worried, really. I tried to call you for months. The phone was still off. Months turned years. I still sought you everywhere, even on the internet. You were nowhere to be found. I plugged into depression. Solitude maimed my soul. Where are you, Billy? I am worried, really.
Wow, look at you. This is amazing. We can do this whole day. Hey, karibu sana.
Asante sana. I'm happy to be here.
Karibu sana.
It's like I've been part of this.
Of course, you don't even look like you're a visitor here.
No, I don't.
Now you should be a permanent fixture.
I am.
On the Shieto Show.
Oh, now written.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Shieto Show. This is Kananu Jerusha, our very own.
Omarete.
Omarete. Kananu Omarete.
Hey, Kananu Omarete.
Ay. She is a poet. I don't know. You can capture this? Echoes of Military Souls. This is her copy. This is beautiful work. This is super fantastic. And she's here with us. Acha uju na rutia ngono hichi poem hichi na kemero poem ile ntatu. Itaandiki imto wa kumanara kaja. Chiandiki I omowetu Kananu Omarete. Yes, that's the copy. She is the author and we are honored to have you here. Karibu sana.
Nice, I'm happy to be here.
Nande tuire.
Inanko ambiririende.
Ambiri right from the beginning. The show is yours.
Yeah, thank you.
Referee.
We're referee. First of all, the ingure to kuza ndemuchi.
Karibu sana.
Because this sounds more of home than elsewhere.
The Shieto Show.
Ndeikwa kandeti yani. Yeah,
nice.
Now as you've been told, Kananu Omarete. Badikite Ukraine, Echoes of Military Souls.
Yes.
The Mwarimo.
Ko.
Nditana.
Na.
Mulolongo.
Aja.
Nchereri Tiania. Nturaita wa Mwaneka. Mwaneka. Yes, Tigania West.
Great.
Meru County. This is my first book. Rero kuria kwa mbere. Na kwena yange ya ile yetete kuma rero kwena yange ya ile.
Nice.
This is these are collection of poems. Each of them are about Mantua soldiers. And on, we need to celebrate our military. I lost a friend at war who went and never came back. From then how does it feel? Ukira mutonyo kwe, your sister, kana mukuro, bae, atite utukume akele akeya. Kana monoku, your son, you are goodbye, and you know they may not come back. So ndambere akuthwania and I did it sad that I my friends. I have friends there in the military. I went even to see what they go through there, and it was not easy. It was not easy kuthwania no witoka riakwe, you know, normally tuao turotitoka. But now this is more of a sure bet that these may not
Chances
come.
are you either go and you don't come back,
Yeah.
or you come back toes up.
Yeah, and those who are left equally, they don't know. There's, I mean, they put their life for us completely. So I thought, and also they face many challenges. Kwe baba weta bakeya bakethira mwekuru no yero nungi.
Kwina kapoem kuthoma.
Kwina kapoem kare au.
Ukirika kakari.
Biting betrayal.
Pole na gwetu tete kamuigunye. Yeah, I think it's the biting betrayal.
Yeah, biting betrayal. Yeah, these are some of the experiences. They go, you know, remono tomo for years, 2 years, okay, yeah. Like etre akiyethira ongi nayo kirinyana batu murikana.
Ethira nagarukirwe mpempe.
Ethira mpempe nigarukirwe na inyana batu menya. So
That's very sad.
these things happen. It's not anything. Then I also focused on those who lose their husbands, and particularly young women who are married to young soldiers. Kuma Al-Shabaab, kwambia that's when mostly our soldiers in Kenya, actively involved. Though the book captures all any soldier, but now the focus was this. I had a friend, Kwina Nyahanu of Mbetha Irwaneo Equaridia, I think the widows with Baba Lucete. So I started, there's a poem called Smile Again, Katrina. Katrina Lucete, the husband, and then she loses focus.
Yeah.
Life is not the same, you see. So Smile Again, Katrina is a hope for those who have
Smile
lost.
Again, Katrina.
Yeah, for those who have lost their soldiers. When a kapat kaubera at the beginning that inyakida they are fallen soldiers,
Yes.
they will be happy. I think this is the dedication, all soldier families. Every time you watch them leave, you know not if to smile or wail. But trust me, dear ones, whether yours is standing or fallen, they would be happy if you smiled. But
Wow.
I never the fallen soldiers, if you've lost someone, they would be happy if you smiled.
smile.
Yeah, because you take care of their children, and I believe their sacrifice is worth enough to take them to heaven.
True that.
Yeah.
Smile again, Katrina.
Smile again, Katrina.
Damn.
Yeah.
Burume, though Marina, you know, don't want to get chunko, get a magic chunko, and a foko.
And
Na Kimero, Kimenyago, Kogi Tamburo.
Kemero kitiana nkandaria no kaurio taurira.
Adia Guru.
Ankaria guru. Yeah, domerete.
Antaurira. No Tauraira.
Domerete mbero, domerete tiania. Primary mwanika primary. Detakide, ontorene tu. The village girl.
Hey.
Then that University of Nairobi.
Aja.
That Mukela. Kuma unde DKU with a master's in theater.
Ah. Ita mwe.
Vale.
Kuna masters in theater.
Theater, literature, theater and film.
Ni una ni mtakita untrained theater, no ntondare KUTT.
KUTT.
Kenya University Traveling Theater.
Traveling theater. Yanto the traveling theater mberempa mwalimu ndalita Kenya National Theater.
Ita.
Bro.
Ondare mzungu mwenye shamba. Kaja roche mchunguroni.
You should go back. We love you, you know that.
Joe, you've had akona nyimbo, akona poem ya ule soldier mwenye alienda nyumbani akapata, you know.
Rikare kwa lulu.
Eh?
Sad. It's very sad. Yeah. Whiskey lullaby.
Take it away, Joe. Wewe unachezaga solo. Mbona why you letting me embarrass myself? She put him on like a burning end in a midnight cigarette. She broke his heart. He spent his whole life trying Tried to hide the whiskey on her breath. What a drink is spraying away a little at a time. But she never could get drunk enough to get him off her mind until then. She put that bottle to her head and pulled the trigger. Finally drank away his memory. Life is short, this time it was bigger than the strength she had to get above her knees. We found out with our face down in the pillow, clinging to his picture for dear life. When we laid her neck beneath the willow, and the angel sang the whiskey lullaby. La 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 la. 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 Atendini. La 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 la. La 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 la. Wow. The soldiers always have challenges.
They do.
Kamanu,
Yeah.
I have a question.
You have an ask?
Yes, I have an ask.
Okay. Question it.
I love your poems.
Thank you.
And
If I don't
soldiers
start
also
again.
come back, yeah.
Hmm?
As much as they go, I've heard the first poem a little bit saddening. Is there any happy poem? Like, yes, he went and he came back.
Yeah. Yeah,
If you don't
there's
live, you can live
But
by
they lived
celebrating.
happily thereafter.
Yeah, they lived happily thereafter, and I will gladly,
Yes,
because you
yes.
have a gap. You know how many of us have gaps here, not just here, even in the whole world.
Tell
We are
them,
very
tell
few.
them. Tell them. It's
Osimna,
very-
could your girlfriend be in the military? Just ask. Just ask.
Do you have?
No.
It's just an ask. Yeah,
Okay,
there
alright.
is.
No comment. No comment.
You have a right to remain silent.
I reserve my comment.
I should read this
I want a lawyer.
for her.
Whatever you
His
say
own
can and
age,
might.
Oh, my friend.
Yeah, it's called Painful Passion, page
Oh,
7.
It's called what?
Painful
Painful.
Passion.
Why is it painful still?
No, just don't worry. It's
Okay.
painful.
Oh,
It's a dedication.
Ah.
Sasa kila
It's
mtu afanye
then,
kazi yake Omera. Unauliza maswali.
nimewacha.
yeah.
Eh? Sisi uje tusomewe poem.
Wacha tusome si wawili.
Page 7.
Ndio, page 7.
Mhm.
Let's listen to this.
I go first?
Ongeza volume ya jua. Kwa meza ingine bwana kuanga serious.
I go first or you go first?
Sure, you go first this time.
Ladies first. Eh?
Men before.
Painful passion. To the last man standing, you may be a little broken, slightly bruised, permanently scarred, and sometimes betrayed. You may be unappreciated, sometimes forgotten or mistaken. I'm talking of you, dear soldiers, who slept in the bush last night again, protecting us. I'm talking of you, brave soldiers. You put your life on the line, sacrifice for all, for the love of your country. No amount of money can pay the risk, the painful sacrifice. Look at me in the eyes, brother. A great reward awaits you.
If the nights are quiet, the loneliness loud, and the wind so cruel, look at the stars. The brightest star is your hope. Do not lose it. It will light your way home. Let the memory of
Let
the
not.
let not the memory of your fallen brothers engulf your mind and blur your vision. Let go. They served their time, paid the ultimate price. Focus on your star, brother. Smile at the moon. You are the hero. The country is proud of you. Mother will welcome you home. Father will say, "This is my son, whom I am grateful of." The Lord will provide you with the desires of your heart.
You will live long to carry down memory lane, memoirs of bloody wars, and regale your children with heroism. You will love and marry with your family while they owed you, the unsung hero.
Wow.
Wow. Now I want to be a soldier.
Please,
Uandikiwe poem hapa. What is it?
I will write
Declare
a
your
book.
intentions. Mapema.
I go, I cook, I just become a cook, not a fighter. And then I come back.
I'll write you a book.
No, you can join the army band.
Bars, I play music and come back.
Then you can all be soldiers, right? Tuingie kwa band ya jeshi.
Yeah, tuingie.
Maroon Commandos.
Kabisa.
Yeah.
Kabisa.
This is
That's
so
awesome.
this is so beautiful. So you went to Nairobi University.
Yeah.
You studied what in your?
I studied English education,
Ah,
English
yes.
literature, yeah, beyond that.
Bachelor of
Education, then English.
Bachelor of eating. Sorry.
And the extension of stomach. yes. Yeah, and with the English and literature. Yeah, right now, doing the KU. The woman now from University of Nairobi, Ndakilaneria.
Wacha wakaukairija kwa
Ncho kilaneria, mpanete.
yakana we.
Wa uterita mtu mchiwe, especially kudurete village. They are KU, so I'm there. I'm actually completing, I think I'm in the final stages of my master's in theatre arts. We then get our forum theatre.
Ndivyo.
Unira poem ya theatre to raise awareness. Irati ta porake do kwenda antu baira bareke. So you raise awareness using theatre. They drugs,
Yes.
you perform a skit about drugs, then the effects, then people learn from the theatre. So it's educating. Yeah.
Theatre that is just part and parcel of the society.
Yes,
Not-
educate,
not
entertaining,
from the society.
educating and
Yeah.
entertaining. I think that's basically what I'm doing.
Fantastic.
Na kuandika.
Kome says we take a break. Can we take a short break? Tukunywa maji. Thank you so very much. Yeah, give us something as we take a break. Kananu. There's that freestyle we did for Kananu.
From Tiani. That one got me.
Rumba.
Kananu ga kwaito kiare. Kananu ga kwaito kiare. Yeah. Tunde. Kananu ga kwaito kiare. Kananu ga kwaito kiare. Nekore to kiare. Raganke bosaga kananu. Kananu ga kwaito kiare. Yenda ngomete kiare. Yenda tutena kiare. Ondita negetia.
Rabe mbina ilo kore rande.
Orita nekeventi kiare. Ondita negetia kiare. Orita nekeventi kiare. Waigwa kubuitu gakira. Kiare gakwaito kiare. Kiare gakwaito kiare. Kananu gakwaito kiare.
Hiyo ni mpya.
Nairobi kana nemeru keja jangari ya kuya mwanka narori kiari.
Woo!
Kananu ga kwaito kiari. Kananu ga kwaito kiari. Kananu ga kwaito kiari. Kwete kwete kiari. wito gasororiga Kananga wito gasororiga Kinanga wito itokiare 1, 2 Wacha na hiyo maneno
Wow, nice.
Kamano,
Toka sanitize
hiyo
Eh?
tunatoa nyimbo yake.
Yes.
Complete
Umesema yes?
Yes.
Tengeneza mfuko kidogo.
Pesa sio sinda.
My
Pesa
friend
bada
Biju.
problem
Inakuja. Hit single.
Freestyle dribble
Kananu yetu. Bas.
Kananu
Bas.
Done.
Hakuna maneno mengine.
Beautiful So now I have Nachoreba baingi mono They are very good writers
Okay.
They are very good singers They are very good dancers Inde batajuke that
Etagaria.
It was step of faith of
Faith of no, leap of faith.
Lipo.
A leap of
leap
Lipo kudunguza.
Batachonga
Atachonga, batadunguza.
You said ombere you kula mbere
This is my first book.
What did they take you? Were there procrastinations? Iko alina doubt, iko alina ntiomba kana wengerie kana
Yeah, quite challenges. There are a
who will
lot of
publish for me?
challenges.
Who will? All those questions.
Yeah,
I believe.
the writing industry especially is tricky. Not one, no
From the
idire,
beginning.
no idire na content lakini ukira menye imekuye yawa. You can
Yes.
give your manuscript ukadhariri na mtunge. So initially those were my fears. Ndambire kurita poem kitambo sana.
What were the basic fears and when did you start writing na kenda ukinya point ya kuga nande andi takalango dio I have to do this.
Anko irare na menyere. I think it dates back like this story I always give in a short. Renda dekana nde mwane kadira boera uyu mwarimu bwete buko we poem.
Twebyeje?
Bwe chukuru na tore ne buko era buko we poem tuko ya chiari. So I went, I was given a poem. Redanda kinyara mbere ndaulo. Ilaini. Siambe. Ndawera na ntunchoka ndawera nkoyete kuwa poem ndunkolwa.
Ngolwa.
Asante sana. Achari bandinga ringerampe. That I think that I always look at that as my beginning. Ya mwalimu wari
Ngoja kidogo ngoja.
Yeah.
Miles. Jo, eti alikuwa ameenda kusema poem. Akiwa mdogo akafika mbele parents day kila mtu amejaa. Adjudicator sir, ladies and gentlemen. Ilikuwa nimekuja kusema poem. Lakini nimesahau.
Asanteni sana.
Asanteni.
Ikakuwa poem.
Nikakuwa poem.
Na nikapigiwa makofi sana, and you know we had trained for almost the whole term.
Na umesahau.
Mwalimu alikuwa ameniangalia hivi. Mwalimu pambera tu watu baba mbroila. Watoto walimu si ni walimbroilers.
Mwalimu anakuangalia, mwalimu anamrushia jicho.
Network inapotea.
Unajua nilienda saa hapo naona watu wote. Network ya aura. So I knew. I was wondering, should I go back? Then I greeted them.
Yes. When?
Atiari, what, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
Bitawakananu, marete. Kwete kuwa poem ndunkolwa.
No temo kadhija.
Asante sana.
Ulimaliza na thank you.
I received standing ovation.
For forgetting a poem.
No, I don't know why they clapped, but that I went back feeling good.
That was brave. That was just
Okay.
brave.
That was the beginning.
That was the beginning.
Yeah.
So that's when you discovered you can say poems. If you
No,
didn't-
now
if
with
you
years
didn't say
I've come
poem.
to notice this thing was there. Then when I went to high school, I was in drama. Drama throughout poetry what. Now when I go to KU, I started writing now. Now what you are asking about publishing, I faced so many challenges. They thank your poems, publishers, they return you. Your
Hata nembero
manuscript.
kinyaki publishing. Na ndewa ambako uthone poems chako ukiandika marathasi ni
Ukaandika makaratasi ne iko rume antare laptop mwenye ru kuandika tu kwanza uko turatasi turaandika irwa barua turatwari
turatandika barua?
to writing pad no
Jo je andika barua high school wewe. Ulitumiwa.
Hiyo barua
Those,
hiyo barua ilikuwa inaiko mpaka maua
yes na spray
na inaiko na marashi.
Sasa wewe ulikuwa na mengi
Fikisha vile iko.
So I would-
Ulize hapo usifinye finye. Utapoteza harufu.
so I use those writing pads I used,
Tunapoteza harufu.
Yes.
Hey.
yeah. So that was the beginning.
So now you are able to write all those poems kidogo kidogo.
Yeah.
Wandika
Nandika.
okamakai indira bakonda mera pa kindege sa indiri engi
Kedi ya utu wanene.
na una apaki terio ena
Oh. Ai ginya ko go to kona e koloka kwa yampio.
na boega
Eh.
nandi you combined all that
Yeah.
and manyankwenda mawira toito moja igwa is my smaller brother.
Himu
I'm
ite
kidding.
nkobo.
He's my bigger brother.
Tatrimana ndram.
Nandi.
Latambise.
He's also a very good poet.
Yeah.
Poet kani poem.
Poet. Wa mwandiki poet.
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 Acha kunimislead. Unanimislead kwa TV nichekelewe.
Wa kwangaratani.
Kama udhangalania. So now you put those poems together.
Yeah.
Ikama momentum kare ukinyagana ndeji iko kodaga ko publish ndeji iko publish. So when you are here, what is the tipping point? Kenda go one ndeji witauge aizuru wacha ni publish.
I think we'll get where you really get a burn. Oh, ikuwa no mo yakoko ya kwenda ngwe kwethomo the burning desire.
Yes.
And you say nothing will stop you. I went to many places being returned with manuscript. Like you are. Who, there is the question, K-Publishing. Who are you?
Give us one story where you made a okay.
Yes, they mentioned it. Yeah, I went to traditional publishers. To kona ni nyingi, the ones that are known. They were the tanda banikira had the manuscripts and the synopsis. That meets there were the right people to meet. That officine. But now people don't read mostly poetry. Poetry ite market mbera them, you know, they're into business.
Yes.
And I kumea poetry ite urwa. There are no people who will buy poetry. But they told me anyway, leave us your manuscript. Twakuringira after 6 months.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6.
Okay.
Na riwende ingwe kwa no, nimeiva. Ingwe kwa inje nimeiva. So I went and waited and I didn't want to buy nyaba te mbure mbere te ba communicate with time. But they did not. Then someone can publish through Amazon direct or direct into publishing in your search.
Yes, there is that. Yes.
Yeah, there is that. So I knew there are challenges because one thing, better publishing kwenda editor, but asira ndada chiche utiania chitendeka. Letanda ukumake kindo nda register account. Ndo yake bita ndekira. You know, ndandi signingwa.
You got going.
Otuko. Datuma then they are publishing that on Amazon. Raw. Of course, but now in a young picture soldier, I don't have. I wish I carried the original copy, the one I did myself.
Yes.
Then Amazon.
Nice.
I started sharing it. Was in Amazon. The set price, everything.
Yes.
Ira other manga accepting on an ingin until Chilean and to interpret and accept it on the. So I sent it on Amazon.
Yes.
Then a Kenyan publisher. Now that's self-publisher.
Yes.
It's mainstream. You know when a mainstream publishers, Baba, East Africa, KLB.
Yeah.
So someone told me of a publishing industry that will help me.
Yeah.
But you could with a bit of finishing.
Yeah.
They need editing. So I met the CEO, Mystery Publishers. Ndewe tanda mweleza story tia konda mwela kila mbeto mpameri tanda tuanga mwaka.
Ati kono kanani?
Tu kadoro iko na inya. Kata beta wotu beta. So he told me the effort was good. So we talked. Ambera the effort was good. Then he told me we can talk. Ambeleza ambera the first thing you can do a self-publishing.
Yes.
Ukariambia tia kuwengo ka publish ukure yaku. Now, that's what I did. And after publishing, self-publishing with Mystery, they guided me so well. So far, I've guided 2 people to there, and they are working with their manuscript. Kumamero.
Alex Leski's Dancehall. Nonda publishing kono chia kunya uwe. I hope you're listening to this. Na ugotino tueteta gipindi ke kuthira ndio. Ende mbere gipindi ke thira ndenda witangere kire Facebook.
Yeah.
Facebook ya Kananu.
Kananu Jerusha. Kananu yene H muthia.
Kananu. Na wete kire Facebook page yegwetwa Echoes
of Military Souls.
Military Souls.
Yeah.
Weta kire Facebook or like.
Yeah.
Or follow.
Yeah.
And you can place your order there.
Yeah.
Togore ukulire iria kana getu ka Kimiru
Yeah.
Kananu tuko na nyeta wa Kananu.
Kananu ka pampeto ka pampade ni kananu ketwe.
Kabisa. Yuko ni mate.
Yukumuri wa 1000.
1000 money only.
Nyati moyo kwete thina no mpayane.
Ejana limona ndoro kwenda yuku
07 23 836 101.
Chokera.
0 7 2 3
Yes.
8
Yes.
3 6
Yes.
1 0 1.
Iko dira?
Loi.
Oh.
Come on, place my order right now.
Place your order.
Please.
Nande.
This original copy, the one you hold.
No. This one has been autographed. Siebuna, don't touch.
I have enough copies.
Abiro going.
Okay. I got one.
Oh, don't worry. Nande. Also, kadara tu na kire YouTube kana Facebook. Subscribe. Kire YouTube ya Kamanonto Itomwari na edera tu Facebook une eta kire Facebook ya kwa Kamanonto Itomwari na Instagram. Nyakunde no kana Twitter tutingatane au tukuri Kimiru nonto kwena egipindi kinge kana nwa tireta utepero tireta
Tireta mbete nyache Kimiru china
kabisa no mwanka ture erenta Kimiru. So the band, take it away as we
and they can order my book from your
you can order from I'll even recite some of your poems on my wall.
Oh,
they're so beautiful.
Yeah, you have a beautiful voice for them.
Oh.
I think you should do audio book.
Say that again.
You have a beautiful voice. You should do audio book.
I'm blushing. Am I turning pink on this side?
Yellow. Maroon. Maroon.
Joe, take it away. Motinda tegate Nairobi ndera tiga kana nustenja kereraga nanindera mwelenka atia kamaka Nairobi takuraja menyenonga shoka ndera mire motinda tegate Nairobi ndera tiga kana nustenja kereraga nanindera mwerenja atia kamaka Nairobi takuraja menyenonga shoka ai kana nugakwa ai umenyenonga shoka ai kana nugakwa ai umenyenonga shoka. Thank you so much. We'll be right back with Kananu na chokete gutwaro gono orungi Sunday wingi. Thank you so very much.
Thank you so much.
Ito.
Iboya mno.
Nkanya.
Burumuru kenikiro abodharime.
Nkanya buru ito.
Very
good. That's it.
We'll be back.